go buy DVD for Alaba. If you hear track when I hear, for one DVD one I want buy, see song where they just sing. I know they hear their language, but you must hear Tinubu, Nigeria, 12 years. Because I remember during election, now Yoruba people be they sing. Anybody who vote APC where they suffer for this region, na person will not they come meeting. When you say I vote, Peter will be why I go vote person when I know his age. See this one. Tinubu is 42. How old is his father? Take X equal.
M.O.P. Sleep of Tall.
Please give it up for the man we call Dexmond.
Alpha now. I bet you want to play stop for me. Tomorrow night you will say you pave way for me for small song. This is a small song you used to pave the way that I came in. That small song. Make I hear anybody to say pave way for me for not kill up. Alpha now the round of applause for Chris Tucker. He don't try. See this off. Hey. Come. Let me touch them for that side. Not be family meeting, na comedy show. They discuss bet Nigeria. This is only your ticket cut. I'll stone you this mic for you. It's sad you're happy. Everybody ticket cut now. Just score one goal, one. If to see that ticket enter, I will not come to the show. You know what I don't plan. If you know what I don't plan, I don't say this week I will invest. Invest. I'm not in the country again. Bet Nigeria want to kill us. Every day, I play bet. And you know, say betting get one near success syndrome. Every time when you play, go be like say you don't almost catch them. That's what betting be. It always be like say you don't almost catch them. I play 10 games, 2 cut them. I play 2, 1 cut them.
They play 1.
I play 1, he caught. I not play yesterday, my slippers caught. I just I say, which kind of nonsense with this? Which day will I be successful? Nonsense thing with betting they do us. Everybody just they also. Yesterday, now I say make I write joke for this show. I go browse the internet. I say make I even see what they happen. When first if it's take crack joke as M.O.P. don't pave way for me. Make I use the way where. I dey browse internet, complain everywhere. Everybody just they complain. Everybody just they complain. Now why I know they like perform like this? When I see each other outside though. Just me, everybody know say you buy table for the first time. And they browse internet yesterday. People just they complain left and right. Dollar. Prrr. They say Tinubu don't scatter the country. Everybody they complain. Everybody apart from the Igbos. The Igbos no they complain no. They just they sing. Yes now, Igbo people just they sing. You know not the browse internet. Igbo people just they sing. They just they happy. I don't know how they just they happy. Anywhere you see 2 or 3 Igbo people in a studio. I say, I go buy DVD for Alaba. If you hear track when I hear, for one DVD one I want buy, see song where they just they sing. I know they hear their language, but you must hear Tinubu, Nigeria, 12 years. If you see music, if people continue like this, they go first Davido win Grammy. If they continue like this, music everywhere, for their corner, you use the. When they born me before, I would say only one flavor day Igbo land. Different flavor day. Undu bisi ladikwo go start the song with your own flavor. Tinubu. Okay, Chuku electronics go back and up. I say, hey. But it is sweet one like this. And they they only baffle me. They pay me. Because I remember during election, now Yoruba people be they sing. I remember now. Yoruba people be they sing during election. Now after election, Igbos don't discover their talent. You know, just they baffle me, they pay me. Because why all the tribe for this country no fit just unite? Yes, now. Why all of us no fit just sing at the same time? That too, don't stop say you pave way for me because now your laugh loud pass. And nobody did it for me. I'm doing it by myself here. Hey. I say I don't need assistance. Tomorrow. I'm very keen on this. Idris Abdulkarim now is saying he made the way for Jesus too. I don't need assistance. I came here alone. I will leave here alone. Crazy times, man. No time for this country where they unite. The only time for this country where all the tribe they unite now for advertisement. Yes, now. Not only detergent advertisement, they unite us for this country. They want to advertise homo, carry women from different tribes. And the only time where they unite for this country, people will vote Peter Obi, they laugh. People will vote Tinubu, like say not be the same country, all of us there. If you know the things where they baffle me, they tweet every day now. Egg is not 3.9. I hope people that voted APC are buying it for one. Which kind of mumu? Who go sell them for them for 1,000? Don't be the same country, all of us did. No unity for the country. Everybody just they do their own. We see they mock each other now. We be say things don't double price. Everything don't triple price now. People they work out for supermarket now. They look price like say that they look mirror. I see one guy for supermarket yesterday. They look price tag like saying they look mirror. Just the worker for the. You guys made mistake. Come. Is that come? Come and see. That's not the price of milk. The man look at. Okay, that's the price of milk. For milk. Milk. Is this what people are selling milk for? Milk. No wahala. The man for my front, I know the joke for supermarket. The man come on phone calling mama. He say, hello, mommy. I did. Which age you thought say I stopped to the suck breast? That. The mama says 6 months. He says 6 months. I quick stop. I can't complete. You think I will buy milk from this animal when I still have mother with 2 breasts? Come on there. Milk don't cost, everything don't cost, but we still they find time they mock one another. Sad, my sister. One of the share, Molly did the show. Very sad, man. People they tweet, hope me locals and buy it. But no, say contrary to public opinion, contrary to what you know, people who vote APC know they actually suffer for this regime. Yes, now. Yes, people who vote APC they buy things cheaper. Tinubu don't give us code on how to buy things cheaper. Anybody who vote APC where they suffer for this regime, na person will not they come meeting. You give me oh, you say I vote? Peter will be why I go vote person when I know his age? See this one. Make I vote president. Why? Not disrespectful thing. Now, why you go know your president age? I like my president mysterious. Just something. Will they solve? Well, to get to president age, you go solve. I like a president that keeps mathematics alive. You go solve. Tinubu is 42. How old is his father? Take X equal. Board mass. Now, what do they enjoy? Board mass.